Hello friends, welcome to Shivani tutorials. Today I will show you a very quick mehndi design on your backhand. I am starting the design from the back side of your palm. Make a small circle and draw its boundary. Draw some tiny petals around this circle. Now draw some bigger petals and take some petals inside it. Make a small line inside the petals. Give a boundary to these petals and it will look like a flower. Draw another boundary to this flower. Start making any curvy design touching the flower to cover your wrist. Also, draw a simple and small petal design on your middle finger. Make the same design on the index finger. Copy the same design on the ring finger to finish the look. Wow! How beautiful and quick this mehndi design is. Today, I will show you a very beautiful jewelry mehndi design on your hand. Make a dot on the back side of your wrist and start making circle around it. Now make petals around the circle. Make another round of petals. Draw a curvy line in the center of the flower and fold it towards the left side. Repeat the same process and fold it towards the right side. To give more length to this design, draw leaves shapes parallelly. To end the design from the bottom, draw a single leaf in the center. Now fill the leaves with the mehndi. Make a dot and draw a circle around it. Draw petals around the circle. Beautify this circle with dots. Mark the dots on the first circle as well. Draw a straight line from the top of the small flower towards the middle finger. Draw a small flower here. Mark dots on the straight line. Draw petals to finish the design on the finger. Make some small petals between the bigger and smaller flower. To finish the design, draw a curvy line and make small flower at its end. So here we have our very beautiful jewelry mehndi design ready, and I'm sure that you will definitely try this design. In this video, I am going to show you a very beautiful heart-shaped mehndi design for your backhand. Make sure you are using good quality of mehndi and mehndi tube for this design. First of all, make the heart-shaped design beginning from your first finger, and now keep on drawing heart shape till it covers your wrist area. Now draw a simple line on your last finger and join it with the heart. Follow the same pattern and draw a simple line on every finger and join it with the heart. Put some dots and decorate the simple lines. draw 3 horizontal lines and decorate them with mehndi dots as well. See how beautiful this heart-shaped mehndi design is looking. Thank you very much for watching. Do like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel.